Good morning and welcome to Morning Markets from True Potential. For those that subscribed during the month of April, many thanks. Those that haven't, start of the new month, please just hit the subscribe button and you'll get all of the great content from True Potential into your YouTube channel. So turning to asset markets, the start of a new month, looking at how markets performed yesterday, we saw a positive performance from Europe over the course of the day. UK closed for the bank holiday. Looking at the European market, very much about some of the strength in economic data, with German retail sales for March coming in significantly stronger than market expectations at some 7.7%, as opposed to the 3.3% that had been expected. We also had good PMI numbers from a number of European countries, which continue to point to that ongoing recovery that we are seeing in Europe, particularly as we see a ramp up in the vaccination rate over the past number of weeks. Looking at the US, the S&P 500 was in positive territory. Nasdaq was slightly weaker in the day, dragged lower by a number of the larger technology names. Also in the US yesterday, we had the ISM, the manufacturing report, so a bit similar to the PMI numbers that we get for other countries. And what this did show, it did show a little bit of weakness from previous months, so falling back to around the 60 level. Still very much in expansionary territory, but just highlighting some of the challenges, and those challenges very much around the theme that we've been discussing over recent weeks, that of component part shortages and the challenges that is giving businesses, but also a nod to the inflationary pressure that's coming through. So the commentary associated with the ISM release certainly does highlight that, but still in very strong and positive territory. Turning to the week ahead, very much a week that's back-end loaded. Looking out into Thursday and Friday, we have here in the UK, we have the Monetary Policy Committee meeting. No change is expected from policy, but what I think we could be looking for is for the Bank of England to at least start to upgrade the growth prospects for the UK economy based on very strong take-up of the vaccine that we've seen, but also just that rebound in activity that is certainly evident and coming through. The other key thing to look towards the end of the week is the US unemployment report, which will come out on Friday. Again, very much focused on giving us a view on the rate of recovery. We know that the Federal Reserve are very much focused on the two factors, getting inflation at an average rate back above 2%, and also on getting closer to full employment. Just looking at markets overnight in Asia, we have China and Japan both closed, so very much just small positive, small negative across the other regional markets. In Australia, we heard from the RBA, no change to policy there, but sort of a bit of a hint as to how they may, over the coming months, start to change the yield curve control policy that they do have in place at this point in time. So that's their bond buying program. I'll leave it there for today. As I said at the start, please do subscribe on the YouTube channel. Many thanks.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to your YouTube app on your phone, type in True Potential and press the red subscribe option. You'll then be notified as and when new videos are released.